I love myself right now. Yeah, yes, I love who I am right now. Yeah, yes, I love who I have become. And I love that I get a chance to praise on as I am, as I am. Yes, I am grateful to experience it in such a way. I am grateful to love who I am. Yeah, yes. I am grateful. I felt I was going to do that, right? I'm going to put it down then. Yeah, yes. I love who I am. Yeah, yes. I love who I've become. Yes, I love who I am. Yeah, yes, I love who I became. And it feels real good to me. Yes, I love who I am. I'm grateful that I know who I am. I love being exactly who I am. I'm honored to allow myself to celebrate being an awesome, remarkable, and amazing, righteous, spiritual being that is having this physical experience here on earth. I'm honored that I get a chance to look at plants in my love living space, the celebration of my 48th birthday, the loving that I have created via on pillows and hearts that I have sewn and stuffed with cushion. I'm so grateful that I am as creative as I am. It feels really great. It looks great. Sounds great to express myself as I am. And that's the reason why I say, as I get used to my own voice and the praise, and this is important to me. That's the reason why I keep doing it, because when it's all thought out, let me be the one to use my voice to praise and celebrate as I am. I'm honored. Yeah, yes. I am who I am. I am who I am. I am who I am. Yes, I am. Yeah, yes. I am who I am. Right now, I am who I am. I am who I am. Right now. Yeah. I love being exactly who I am in the present moment. I love the things that I do because I know I'm honored. Because I do these things with the knowing that all people, places, and things are working out for my good. It's my choice. All right, my Lovers2. That was a free float. I'm honored to do so. I was inspired by yourself. That whole I love myself exactly as I am. I love myself exactly. I love myself. As I have become exactly who I am. Oh, okay. Listen.